Okay, so this is RDQ400. This one is thermostat for FCU. If you see from the box itself, it's room temperature. Okay, so this one control 3-speed fan, Q1, Q2, Q3, and then on off valve, or can also using spring return. So if you using on off valve, 3 wire. So this one is normally closed, this one is normally open. So this one to close the valve, and then this one is to open the valve. So if you don't want to use 3 wire, only 2 wire, so spring return actuator, so only use here lah, 14 is for open. And then when the thermostat send signal to close the valve, then no power here, then actuator will go close using spring return. Simple like that. This one is 3-speed fan, speed 1, speed 2, and then speed 3. So now I will on the power. This one is using 230 volt. So this one also 230, this one pun 230, and all this fan speed also using 230. Okay, on. So once you on, normally when you on, you need when from factory, you need to set a few parameter, but this one already on before this. So example, if you want to go to the parameter, you just press M and the fan button, these two button, press and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then press plus button. Now you can see the blinking one, this one parameter 1. So for parameter 1, this one application. So usually in Malaysia we use cooling 2 wire, to cooling only. So we set number 1. So and then if you want to change, you can press this middle button, and then you can plus. Got more choice, but for Malaysia we use one, this cooling only, and then you save, press enter again. So this one parameter 5 is for sensor calibration, also known as you can adjust the reading from this thermostat if the thermostat is located very near with the source of the wind. Okay, so usually we don't play with this one if the customer don't want to change. This one is 06 is standard display. This one we will use default room temperature, so the display will show room temperature and also set point. And then this one, the minimum and maximum, number 09, P09, and then P10. Parameter 9, parameter 10, we use this one set point. Minimum set point is 5 degree, and then maximum set point is 35 degree. If you want to change, just press middle button, then you can adjust this one until 40 degree. So we set 35, and then we save. Just like that. Only that if your parameter need to adjust, depends on the customer. So after finish, just go out. This one is off. So if you want to on all the fan and valve, you press middle button. So now it's cooling, and then this one the fan. So now this one the current reading, room temp. This one is the set point. Okay, set point. This one is the current reading. So you can adjust the fan speed. This one is an auto. if you want to off, this one is for fan. This one, when you change to this icon, the valve will close. Only fan is blowing. So make sure if you want to cool the room, better put in this icon. So I can show here. So now set point room temp is higher than the set point. Set point is 24, right? So meaning from here we can check. So this one is the 14 will got power lah, 200. Okay, so meaning valve is open. Okay, so meaning valve is open, 240. And then this one is Y12. Y12 is don't have power lah, 0. Okay, so this one is the fan Q3 high speed, because here showing 3 speed 3, and then this one is higher than the set point. When I change the temperature to higher than the the room temp, 35. Okay, now the fan is stopped, and then the power to the valve Y14 don't have power. So Y14 don't have power, and then Y12 got power. So to close the valve, the fan don't have power lah. All the fan don't have power. Okay, that's all.